Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Now we show that how to insert percentage simple without multiplying 100 in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first, we have to open your Google Sheet software. Now you can see here a blank spreadsheet. Now I am write some number like 25 or 10 or 56 or 45 or 2 etc. You can write anything to apply this. Simply we select the number and click this percentage option, and we can see automatically multiplying 100 or the 00, but we don't need this. We need the 100 multiplying not. Now I am select the number, go to the format menu and go to the number option and go to the custom number format, then find the custom number format. At first we press shift and keyboard press the number 3, there is hash, then write double apostrophe comma and write the percentage symbol on our keyboard, then again write double apostrophe comma, then apply this format, and we can see here the percentage simple without multiplying 100. Now we can see we insert percentage symbol without multiplying 100 very easily. I hope you understand my process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.